We know which is heavier and which is lighter.
It's so blue.
And it feels awesome, Phoebe.
Whee!
Whee!
Welcome to the Fizzy Show! Okay, Phoebe, our school assignment is to make sure these scales are equally balanced. That will be so easy. Miss Hands, we need a hand.
Hi, everyone. It's me, Miss Hands. Hey, Fizzy and Phoebe.
Hey, Miss Hands. Phoebe is going to balance the scales. So, I am going to put a squishy dinosaur on that side and a squishy fruit on this side.
Okay, Phoebe, here's your dinosaur. And look, he's got a really squishy body. I love that. Look at that. Look at his tummy. Woo! In you go, little guy. Phoebe, set that side for you. There you go. And we have a little happy apple. Look at that smiley face. And guess what, everybody? He's squishy too. Okay, you go on that side.
Ta-da! Oh no, it didn't work. The dinosaur is heavier.
Oh, hey, Fizzy and Phoebe. We can't get ours to balance either.
Why won't it work for us, Miss Hands?
Well, this is a scale. And with a scale, we add different objects to each side. So you know if it tips to the left or the right. We know which is heavier and which is lighter.
So, how do we get it to balance? Well, I guess we need something heavier on the right-hand side.
Like slime.
That's a great idea. We can make our own slime.
Ooh, I love making slime. But first, let's move these two guys. So let's start with our slime ingredients.
Oh, Miss Hands, can we put the ingredients on the scale before we make it?
That's a great idea, Phoebe. Okay, I'm going to put the blue glitter on the right-hand side. And the blue glue on the left-hand side.
Look, the scales are heavier on the left.
Well spotted, Fizzy. So the glue is heavier and the glitter is lighter.
Cool!
Okay, time to get mixing. We're gonna add a little bit of clear glue to start. There we go. And then in with our blue glue. Ooh. Look at that swirly glue. It's so blue. Take your spoon and let's start to mix. Look how vibrant and blue that is.
Just like you, Fizzy! Yay!
Like Branch, too.
Oh yeah. That's right. And we can add the blue glitter for some extra sparkle.
This is always the best bit!
And we stir it in. Look how sparkly that is now. And our last ingredient is our magic liquid. And this is what's going to turn our blue glue into slime. There we go. And we gotta mix, mix, mix. See how that's getting thicker straight away?
It's so pretty.
I hope this balances the scales. Well, now our slime is complete. We can try it. Let's take it out of the bowl and see how stretchy it is. There we go. See how stretchy this is. It's really stretchy. Woo.
It's so blue!
And it feels awesome, Phoebe.
I can see all the glitter.
Oh, that's my favorite part too, Poppy. Now let's put this on our scales. So we're going to add our squishy dinosaur back to the left-hand side of our scales. In you go. There he is. And then we're going to add our blue slime.
Let's see if it works.
Well, let's see, Fizzy. Into the right-hand side of the scales. Aha! So that means our squishy dinosaur is lighter and our blue slime is heavier.
It didn't work! This is a disaster! Don't worry, Phoebe. We just have to make it equal. How do we do that?
We just need to copy it and make more slime.
Yes! Let's make more slime!
Good idea, team. If we make more slime, we may be able to balance the scale.
Yay! Let's make pink slime!
Just like Phoebe! Yay!
Just like Poppy.
Okay, let's do it. Let's take out our dinosaur from the left-hand side and our blue slime from the right-hand side. So let's weigh our ingredients. I'm going to add our pink food coloring to the left-hand side of the scale over here, like that. And I'm going to add our clear glue to the right-hand side of the scale on this side. Whoa, okay. So that means the pink food coloring is lighter and the clear glue on the right-hand side is heavier.
Cool! Let's make our slime!
So we're going to start with our usual clear glue base into our bowl. There we go. And to that we can add our pink food coloring. Okay, see how that goes. And we give it a stir.
Wait to see this one!
Oh, let's keep stirring and see how pink we can go. Getting very, very pink now. Look at that.
Don't forget about the glitter, Miss Hands!
Ooh, thank you for the reminder, Poppy. I nearly forgot. Let's add our pink glitter and see how sparkly we can make it. And we stir and stir and stir again. That is getting very sparkly. And hey everyone, have you noticed how the outside of the bowl has gone a kind of purple color? Do you know why? It's because the blue mat is shining through the glass and the pink food coloring. So if I put my hands here, it goes pink again. If I take my hands away, it's purple. Pink and purple. Isn't that great? And our last ingredient, the magic liquid to make our slime. And let's stir like crazy again. Okay, it's complete. Let's take a look. It's very stretchy. Look at that. And it's sticky. Oh, look at this. It's worked so well. Look how pink it is.
I love it! It looks so good next to the blue.
Pink is the best color ever!
Oh, I hope it works on the scales.
Ooh, let's find out, everyone. We're gonna put the blue slime back on the right-hand side. Right over here. And now let's put our stretchy, sparkly pink one into the left-hand side. Here we go.
Look, they're balanced! We did it! I'm so proud of us all. Weighing things is fun.
I'll go on the left!
And I'll go on the right.
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bop.